How to unblock all Telegram channels 2023. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to unblock all Telegram channels 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So that just means that your Telegram is unblocked because you are not yet 18 years old. So in order to unblock all your Telegram channels, you can just listen to this tutorial. So to do that, let's head over to our Telegram. And then from in there, what we can do is to click on the search bar on the upper corner right here. And let's search for Nice Gram Bot. So in here, just click on this Nice Gram Bot right there. And click on the start button right here in the bottom. And it will start like this. So what you can do is you can just log into Nice Gram. But you can also just click on this right here. So if you click on this 18 years old, then this will actually allow you to unblock all Telegram channels because it will enable you to be 18 years old to be detected by Telegram, and you can also enable this show sensitive content. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to unblock all Telegram channels 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.